Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. This is a quick WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add a button on your WordPress post or page without using Elementor or without using any custom CSS code. To do that, go to the backend of your website and go to plugin. Click on add new. Here search forget. And as you can see that there are a plugin called forget about shortcode buttons. Just install it and then activate it. After installing it and then activating it, go to your post or page where you want to create the button. And then keep the cursor where you want to create the button. I want to create the button here, that's why I am keeping my cursor here. After that, there you will get a new option called insert button. Click on this. Now you can give your text here. Suppose I am giving my text. And give your URL here. You can open the link in new tab and you can add it no follow. You can change the style of the button. Suppose it will be like this, or like this. Maybe I'll keep it flat rounded. And you can change the size of the button. You can give icon here. Suppose I will give a pen icon here. Let's see if it have or not. There must have a search button, but the developer did not give search option here. This is the pen icon, and you can keep the icon before or after. I'll keep it before. After doing everything, click here save and then click on update. This is your button. Now if we click on this preview changes, as you can see, this is our button working here. You can click here and it will open in new tab. So guys, this is a quick video about how to add a button in your website's post or page. If you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and give a thumbs up in this video, and visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about to make money online and about your online career. Thank you so much.